Hello guys, you are welcome once again to this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to increase your video views via your Facebook ads. Alright, if you are a content creator or you are someone who wants to promote your content on Facebook, this is a video you need to pay attention to right now. Alright, aside from that, I'll also show you how you can use the video to grow your page and increase your post engagement on this particular section of this video. Okay, so if today is the first time of coming to my channel, smash that like button, subscribe if you have not done so, and hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever new videos are posted. Alright, so without wasting much time, I will need to take you through this process step by step. Now, if you come to your Facebook ad manager, like what you are seeing here, this is a Facebook ad manager, and if you have not set it up the way I did, kindly go through my channel. There are some videos I did there on how to set up your business page, how to set up your Facebook ad manager like this. Alright, so just go through them, and if you're having any challenge in the course of that, kindly reach out to me via the comment section. I will respond to you all. Alright, so just come to create here. You can see it, create, click on it, click on create. Alright, once you do that, come to engagement. Alright, this engagement will allow you to increase your video views and increase your post engagement. I did a video on how to increase your post engagement on this my channel. Kindly do that and watch the video. Alright, so this is post engagement. Select that, click on continue. Right, then click on this manual engagement campaign. Alright, I'll just click on continue. Good. So you allow it to load exactly. So this is what you get. So once you are here, just put anything you want. I can just say video views. Alright, I'll just say video, or better still, any name you want to put there is good and fine. So just click on that, then click on next. Right, so just wait for it to load up. Perfect. So my action here is what I want to get: video views. That is what I'm targeting. So I'll just come to your ad, on your ad. Can you see it here on your ad? I'll click on your ad, then I'll scroll down. You can see it here, video views. Video views, that is the engagement I want to run on this particular Facebook ad. So I want to increase my video views. When I talk about video views, so that more people can watch my videos, engage with the videos, and what have you. All right, so once you are done with this here, make sure you are sure that that is what you want to do, video views. So once you are done, come down to this part, put your amount. You can see where it says daily budget. All right, there are different type of budget you can do. There is a lifetime budget, there's a daily budget. This is the most basic, this is the most beneficial one you can do. Just select daily budget. It means every day you need to come here and fund your ad. Right, you need to come here, put the money, and the ad will keep on running. So I'll select daily engagement, then I'll daily budget rather. I'll select the amount I want. All right, before now, you can run your advert with as low as 1,000 naira, 500 naira, but Facebook has upgraded to a point whereby for you to run your ad, the basic amount is 1,500 or 1,600. Right, so I'll just come here and put 2,000 naira. Right, 2,000 naira. Then you can leave every other thing you want. All right, then the aspect that says audience control, this tells you the kind of people you want to see your ad. All right, this is what you do on this audience control, the kind of people you want to see on your ad. So I'll just come down, I'll click on this part that says original audience option. I'll click on that part and select use original audience. Hope we are together. So once you do that, you come down to where you have, where is it? Okay, this part here. You see you have your custom audience. Okay, so you have your location, you have your age, you have your gender. Since my target on this particular ad is to make sure a lot of persons view my ad, I don't need to do any targeting. I can just select the age, because on your Facebook ad, the minimum age that is allowed to run Facebook to is 18. So you can select to from 20, you can see the 20, 25 or upward. I can just say 20 as my basic. All right, then I will leave every other thing. Okay, both the targeting and the rest of them, I will leave it. Then I'll come down to this placement. Placement talks about where you want your advert to be showing. You want it to be showing on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook Reels, Instagram Reel, Explorer, and many more. All right, if that's what you want, just come down there, select it, and if you do automatic placement or advantage placement, they will automatically put it the way they want it. But what I advise is do your manual placement yourself. Select the part you want your advert to be showing. Okay, just come down here. Right, you can see it, select it. Then this is all devices, both Android phone and iPhone. So that's for all devices. And when you say all devices, You can see all devices here. You can see desktop, laptop, tape, and the rest of them. So that is what you have. Then you have the aspect. So you can remove this audience network and you can remove this messenger. All right, you can do that. Then you have every other thing. You can see Facebook feed, Instagram feed, profile feed, marketplace. If you don't want the marketplace, you can see video feed and the rest of them. So if that is what you want, just make sure you are good with everything you have here. Okay. The next thing is you click on next. Can you see it here? This down part here. Click on next. Right. Once you click on next, you come to the part that allows you to do your ad creative. The ad creative talks about either video or text, but since we are running an advert to increase our video views, our ad creative is going to be a video. So you must have created a video to use. So you come over to this part here, make sure you select the page you want to use to run the advert, select the page. Okay, then you come down to where you have add media. All right, add media. This is being specific. All right, because you are trying to create an advert that increase your video views. So we are selecting video. You say add video. So you click on add video. All right, once you click on add video, if you don't have a video here, you select upload. All right, select upload. Can you see there? This is upload. So you upload a video from your system. All right, if I click on upload here, then I'll come to my system and upload a video. All right, if that's what you want, so you can do that. So just close this, select your video, then you put the write-up here. Okay, put the write-up. If you don't know what to do, you can go to your ChatGPT and write a short content. All right, so you just put that there. Then you come down. I think that's all. Come down here. The major thing you are doing here, select the video, select the page, and put a copy. All right, once you are done with that, you smash this publish button here. All right, you smash it. All right, the advert will start running. All right, the advert will start running. So once you do that, now if you now want to fund the ad to enable this advert, if you want to fund the ad, when I say fund the ad, I mean you want to put money into the ad. So you come down to where you have billing and payment. All right, billing and payment. You can see that now. I also did a video on how to the different ways you can fund your ad. There is the one that allows you to use USD. There's one that allows you to use card. There's one that allows you to use transfer. All right, these are three things that allow you to do that. So you can come down here, billing and payment, and you move ahead, fund your ad, and your advert will, once it's approved, people can start viewing your ad, liking it, commenting, and sharing. All right, so that is how to run a video view ad on Facebook ad. Okay, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever quality videos like this are posted. All right, hope you enjoyed this. If you're having any challenge, drop in the comment section. I will respond to you all. Thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.